Yeah, greetings, my viewers, greetings, my subscribers, big up and blessings. I don't know, Newlink is here from Newlink Production. Well, my people, right now, it is just really sad, very sad, very sad, because I know this news has happened yesterday, and it's a Newlink today is Friday, and that is when Newlink is dealing with this thing right about now, people, because of you don't know situations and busy and a lot of things going on. Well, people, can you believe that, right? A liar. She's a liar and a 34-year-old. And she's not no liar who don't be known to the public. You get me as a people? And Miss Williams now, who was killed, Nadaraka Williams, who was killed, and her husband is now in custody. And to know that her husband is a lieutenant in the Jamaica Defense Force, that's the JDF. So her husband is a soldier. She is a liar. She's just 34-year-old, and she was stabbed multiple times in her upscale house in Red Hills Road in Kingston, people. You understand? And she is a liar from the big liar firm, that's the Townsend liar firm, you don't know, so that controlled by Christopher Townsend, those big top liars. And she is one of the new young generation who has generated to that liar firm and who is doing well, because many top liars is now shocked about the killing of this lady. It's really terrible, because look at it now, people. A husband, and the husband know what they are trying to say is they were conducting, you understand, some mental checkup on this man a couple of days before. So no, like they want to say this man is mentally ill. Well, people, honestly, if I know the Jamaica Defense Force, them always have a thing where them do check up on them soldiers and thing, and there's no man can, but if these are soldiers and them say changes and them do their mentally check up or something. Honestly now, them should have something where them can keep this man away or go treat him with some medication or something and bar them or something that's elite to this. I don't see what this lady could have really do this man make him kill her, I don't see, because all I can see, looking at this lady Facebook profile, all I can see is love between these two people. You understand? A woman have passion for a job, a woman have passion in herself, a young woman who's striving to be something good in life. You understand? Because she's a liar, she's young, but you know what I mean? She can go way further than just being a liar working in a law firm. Get me? I say she can be a liar who owns her own law firm and employing other young liars, just like how she has been employed to the Townsend liar firm. So, as I'm saying now, people, you look on it from the other day, we say, yo, and everybody we see a walk in a pretty clothes or in a clean clothes, is this in here so right? And everybody who you see can come and give advice or talk to you or say them protect you working for the government in here so right? Because we see the police will kill the lady the other day, over man, and now we see a Jamaica Defense Force now kill his wife, and he's the one who do it, because when the police them got the wife in a one room, bleed out on the ground, she dead on the spot, be a stab over her, while the soldier in our next room sit down. Yeah, plenty of people gonna say so some evil spirit take over him or whatever, but I'm saying it, people. You don't think you can fight it? Is it you can't fight it? It could give you heart to kill the person who you should love. You cannot. I don't. That no love not did they say no. No love not did they so. And so it's not anger. It's that no love is not there. And this thing what me always them about this mental problem, this mental, this and mental. So we're gonna let all of these people come now with their mental problem and kill off all of the women, them, the females, them in Jamaica. It's enough is enough now, man. I'm tired for hearing it. Every day, woman, killing off Jamaica female. Look at this now, a liar who spent so much years going to college, going to UA, doing her law course and everything, and now have to be the victim of what she should be doing her work to try to find out someone who will be the murderer of killing someone. She is the victim now, and by who? Her husband? Yo, Jamaica people, we're tired for talk about this thing, We all need for wise up. Man and man, bridging and bridging, and I want police to watch these vlogs, I want soldier to watch these vlogs, teachers, doctor, lawyer, everybody. See? If you live with somebody or you're married to somebody, you're there with somebody, you're friend with somebody, and you see a little changes in them, please try to find out. And if you see a way which they cannot, you see no improvement on them, try take some action. Meaning, take some action, bar yourself away. Don't stay around. If you suspect somebody and you say, either son right, don't stay around them. Remember, I did the vlog the other day about the thing that happened in St. James there in Montego Bay, where the stepson beat him stepfather to death with the baton. You understand? And them also he mentally challenged as well. You cannot surround yourself with these crazy people, because when them head take them and them do some things you not even know. Yo, it's sad. If you look on our Facebook page, a lot of people showing love, showing respect and pouring out there. They can't believe. You understand? They cannot believe she has been gone. And just to know, is the man who should be protecting her, who should be loving her, who should be caring for her, who should be there by her side, who should be the one. You understand? Who to guide her. He's the one who is the murderer. My viewers and my subscribers, Jano, I feel it. And you know what I mean? In this vlogs, I just have this to say, I know many people will say, newlink, you always talk about this crime in Jamaica making it bad, but look at it. If I should talk about, I know crime is everywhere, and I say that all the time. Crime is all over the Caribbean, everywhere. On some Caribbean countries, they are way smaller than Jamaica. So the crime in there is, you understand, it's not high like, oh, Jamaica thing, heavy. But all I can say is, I should cover up topics all over the Caribbean, because I do read news of all the things happening in the Caribbean. I couldn't find time to talk about my country. I be honest, and I just want to give my people in Jamaica this open-minded to what's been going on, and we can fix this, or we can resolve this. You understand? Jano, I just want to send my deepest condolences to the family of this lawyer. I understand it's really sad, and to all their co-workers, everybody who check and care for her, and may her soul rest in peace. And you know what I mean, people? Just have to be careful. Just have to. This is Newlink again from Newlink Production, and we are sending a special big up to everyone in Dominica. You understand? Because Dominica people say Newlink, when I say us big or so everyone in Dominica, special big up to X and K, because Jamaica, the whole Caribbean, Europe, England, USA, Canada, all over the world, Africa. This is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we are saying attack them Newlink. Peace, love, I'm out. Blessings, people. Big up.